Good afternoon. So today we will be discussing about a position fixing method. It is called range and bearing to a waypoint. See, some people will think this is controversial, but I will give you a reason for this. Before that, I will tell you how to do it. Just select your waypoint. Remember, the waypoint has to be in a whole number. This is my GPS. Now we are heading to waypoint 238 and the bearing is 135 and range is 0.5. This is the current GPS position. So let us plot it and compare. This is chart number 2155. So I can see the number. The problem with this chart is more in height and less in width, and also even if that is the situation, there is no continuous marking of the longitudes in the middle of the chart. You can see the longitude scale is given here, then there is no longitude scale anywhere here, and the final longitude scale is coming here. So when you move your parallel ruler along the chart, the problem you will face is you don't have a reference point once the position is somewhere in the middle. You will just do it blindly after this because you don't have any reference of your longitude to take. Also, latitude is the same situation. You are not having any reference. Somewhere in the middle you are lost. You don't know if your position is going to be correct or wrong. At that case, or in such cases, the easiest way is to fix your position using a range and bearing from your GPS waypoint. See, the GPS waypoint, you have already inputted it, so that is never going to change. So once you input a GPS waypoint, you should make sure that GPS waypoint is correct. Then the range and bearing to this GPS waypoint is very easy for you to fix your position from. Suppose this is my range and bearing to this waypoint. The waypoint number is 238. So this is waypoint 238. The range and bearing is 135 and 0.5. Now I will take 135. This is 135 and transfer it to my GPS waypoint. So this is my GPS waypoint and this is my GPS waypoint. From there I will just take 0.5, that is 5 cables, that will be 0.51, and plot it from my waypoint. You can see I am plotting it from my waypoint. So this is my position as per range and bearing from the GPS waypoint. So this is my position as per GPS waypoint, range and bearing. Now I will show you when I am transferring it using my GPS position and on the chart scale. We will see the longitude was 101 degree 15.3, 101 degree 15.3. so 15.3 will be 123 and 31. It is 31. You see, it is 31, 15.31, and latitude is 3 degree 9.94. 9.94 is practically 10. So no, it is 94 because it's a very large scale. So can see this is basically my GPS position. So GPS position and my range and bearing from the waypoint is going to help me do all this charts in which there is no reference point for lat and long, or when moving it over the chart is going to be impractical. So you can find this position. This is never going to be wrong unless you input your waypoint as wrong. So I believe you got a good understanding of getting a range and bearing fix from the waypoint. Thank you for watching.